Good morning students, welcome to the next video and it is about phrase. So what is phrase? What do you understand by the phrase, by the word phrase? Phrase is a group of words without both subject and predicate. Means a group of words having no subject, having no predicate will be called phrase. Phrases combine words into a larger unit that can function as a sentence. Now, if there is a group of words and they are acting as a part of a sentence, then it will be called phrase. Means, if we have a group of words and in that there is no subject, there is no predicate, and it is functioning as a part of a sentence, then you can name it as phrase. Okay? Now let's move to next part, that is what are the different kinds of phrase. So there are different kinds of phrase. We will learn about the kinds. There are mainly four kinds of phrase: noun phrase, verb phrase, adjective phrase, that is also called adjectival phrase. Fourth one, adverb phrase, that is also called adverbial phrase. So first of all, noun phrase. A noun phrase consists of a noun and all of its modifiers, which can include other phrases. So what is noun phrase? A noun phrase is a phrase which is made up of noun and other modifiers, and it does the work of noun. It acts as a noun. For example, see the sentence, time flies like an arrow. Now in this sentence, time flies like an arrow, time is a noun, flies is a verb, like is preposition because it is comparing, and is an article which is a part of determiner, and arrow again is a noun. Now if you will look at the whole sentence, time flies like an arrow, you can find that the part an arrow is under the category noun phrase. Why? Because in this group of words there is a noun present in this sentence and it is acting as a part of sentence. That's why it will be called noun phrase. So what you understood about noun phrase? That noun phrase is that phrase which is made up of noun and other modifiers and it acts as a noun, and there should be noun present in that phrase, then only you can call it noun phrase. Second one is adjectival phrase. An adjectival phrase is a phrase that tells us something about the noun it is modifying. The head word in an adjectival phrase will be an adjective. So what is adjectival phrase? A phrase is called adjectival phrase when it does the work of modifying noun. It tells something about noun. Now if you remember the definition of adjective, so it does the same work. What is the definition of adjective? Adjective is a word which describes noun which modifies noun, and same work is mentioned here also. That means adjective phrase does the work of adjective, and that's why the main word in adjective phrase should be an adjective. For example, these are unbelievably expensive shoes. Now you can see shoes is a noun and the word describing shoes is expensive, and again unbelievably. Now you can see the group of words that are describing shoes are unbelievably expensive. Means these two words formed together are called adjectival phrase, adjective phrase. That means if there is a word that is describing noun, means if there is any adjective present in a sentence and if there is another modifier with it, then that words, that group of words will be called adjective phrase. Now, like a normal adjective, an adjective phrase can be used before the noun it is modifying or after the noun it is modifying. Now, as I said, adjective phrase is that phrase in which the main word is adjective and it acts as an adjective. So, whatever is the use of adjective, however we write adjective, in same manner we will use adjective phrase also. I hope you have understood all the points. So that's all for today. In the next video, we will discuss about the other two phrases. That's all for today. Thank you.